I'm going to go ahead and break this down step by step. So the first thing you see is you have to have the import java.util.scanner, and that is one of Java's libraries, and it's the java.util library, and the scanner class is used to read input from users. So the next part is I'm declaring my class, and declaring my class I've got public class rectangle area calculator. So that's the name of my class, rectangular area calculator. Then the next part is my public static void main string args. This line defines the main method, and the main method is the entry point of the Java, and it's where the program begins the execution. The program that actually launches this is called java.exe. So the first thing we do is we need to instantiate, even though this is not our class or object, so we still have to instantiate. So scanner, the first part is the name of the Java class. Scanner with the lowercase s is the object that we create, and we can name it anything we want. Then we've got new, and new is going to run the scanner class and the constructor. And inside the scanner, we're passing the system.in. So, and what that does is that initializes to read from the standard input stream, which is the console. So then I'm going to go ahead and prompt for some input. So I print system.out.print. I print the message, enter the length of the rectangle. Then I define length as double. So these lines display a prompt to the user asking them to enter the length of the rectangle. Next double method of the scanner class. So next double is the method that I'm extracting from the scanner class, which I instantiated at the top. Then when it runs, you enter that value, and you have to enter a decimal value. Then you've got the second system.out print, and it says enter the width of the rectangle. And then I'm going to go ahead and say scanner.nextDouble. That's the same method. And I store it into width. Then I calculate the area of the rectangle, length times width. And then I store it, I define a variable called area double. Then I go to print it. I print the area of a rectangle is, and the plus sign is a concatenation of the value of area. And then I run scanner.close, which closes out the scanner class. Be sure you understand this so you can explain it to me.